a little bit ng alanganin ng Comelec kung sila ang hindi mananalo dito.
Tama ka dyan. Nabanggit natin, no? The Comelec currently has 5 wins and 4 losses. Ang AFP naka 7-2 win-loss record. Into the tournament, makikita rin natin yung pagbabago sa laro, no? Ng bawat isang team.
May iba dyan, ngayon palang nagpipik, di ba? May iba dyan na nakuha na yung groove. So, Comelec, they're hoping, the ladies suffragettes are hoping that they are in that position. At kontrolado, ano? Hindi nagmamadali, tama ka doon. Olores, set up job. And that will be the first point of AFP, courtesy of Keyjoy. Let's see if they can continue with this mini run. And they do. 3 straight points now for the Lady Gunners.
It was a good huddle earlier, no? To just wake up the AFP squad. Konting nudge lang yung kailangan. But you know, that's easier dahil sanay silang maglaro.
And lahat yun, gumagana all at the same time. Tingin, tira, posisyon. Habol ni Olores. Uy, nagbunga pa yun. Danica again. You know, she is foregoing speed and power in the past 2 attacks. Diba? Puro ano lang, oh.
Oh, and you see that
Placing.
this is very deliberate. Napaka-deliberate nung kanyang ano, no?
Danica with a nice serve. Babalik sa kanila yan. Opportunity to score here. At yun ang ginawa ni Judith.
See the frustration there on the side of AFP. Dahil dito, clearly pinag-aralan ng Comelec, yung pwestuhan, ano yung moment, they're very composed and they've managed to make AFP actually play catch-up.
Wow! Single coverage by Madulid, inspired by the presence of her family all the way from Baguio.
Look at this single block. Again, it's all about timing.
Second ball is up. Olores will set this one up. No problem there for Yari. Ano yung feature kanina? Siya ay nanay.
Ma-mother. Sinabi niya.
May bahay.
Oo.
I'm a good
Housewife.
mother.
Their composure, parang wala pa namang nararatel.
Wala pa. Wala
Oo.
pa. Ganda ng preparation na yon, pero ganda ng defense si Judith. Balik sa Lady Gunners. Olores. Chendrauli. Back to the white and green. And
Nice.
team captain serving. At habang nanonood kayo at nagko-cover po kami ni Ann, sana po ay you stay dry and safe dahil bumubuho sa labas ng ulan. Isa na lang ito, 1918.
Alam mo, ito yung galaw ng AFP na hindi mo
Sinong nasa harap, making Comelec guess saan ba pupunta yung bola.
almost
Kailangan ng Comelec pumuntos dito. They go to Danica. And they get one. Set point ito para sa AFP. Pero tingnan natin kung mapapahaba dito ng Comelec or maisasalba nila itong set na ito. Judith goes to the back. Yari was there. Meantime, May Madulid close. And Olores serving now for the AFP. Medyo madikit yung setup ni Yumang sa net. Balik sa kabila. Back to the blue and white. Ooh! And 3-2. AFP labang ng isa. Judith from the back. Galing din sa likod. And that will be a point for Pantino.
Kumbaga all-around contribution.
Kumbaga, hindi naman hindi siya flashy.
Yes.
Hindi, but yung return of investment mataas sa kanya.
Talaga, o yung efficiency niya.
Oo.
Talaga.
Talking about efficiency, check this out, this slow-mo. Timing, angat, bam!
And yun galing din sa magandang receive yun. Added, sa kanila to added thing that they need to put in their schedule bukod sa kanilang regular work. Yung ating preparasyon para sa mga games natin dito sa UVL.
But they like it dahil nagkakaroon sila ng opportunity to distress, di ba?
Oo. Kahit na sumasakit yung katawan mo after training.
Ay, okay na ako na masakit katawan ko na masaya ako.
Exactly.
Kesa,
It fills your diba? It fills your soul. Ano naman yung kalamangan nila.
hindi nga sa AFP, carry on. Soldier on.
Ooh.
And the good major knew it na hindi maganda yung first. Keyjoy. Back to the white and green. Good floor defense by Danica. To the back, it sails out and this time around, ganda depensa ni Danica. Si Pan pa rin ang pinupuntahan nila. Good major with that good defense. One more time. Oh! And it goes in for Chi.
You see them holding their breath habang gumugulong yung bola doon sa tape ng net. Pumasok ka, sabi nila.
Pati nga yung cameraman natin na fake.
Oo, di ba? Para sa nabaho nila yung mga puntos na kailangan nila here in the second set.
If my memory serves me right, and 12-4, di ba binanggit natin yun kanina? Parang ganyan eh.
Napakalaki nung deficit. But again, ito yung siguro parang AFP rin nung set number 1. No? Hindi mo napapansin. Unti-unti humahabol na.
Now they were able to regain the lead. Talking about the Lady Gunners. Balik ang bola sa white and green. Lilette makes it a 5-point lead.
Napakalinis naman ng puntos na yun. Kailangan namin yung opensa mo, specific Chi, and kung saan ba dapat dalhin yung bola. Just doesn't help na very steady rin yung depensa nitong AFP.
At timing yung pagpasok ni Lilette.
Oo. Ito naman yung malalim na bench na pinag-uusapan din natin dito sa AFP. No matter which set of players they rotate.
Olores again, set up for Lilette.
Ooh, great defense here from Comelec.
And Chanda has been covering that backside for Comelec.
Yes, she's done an excellent job really keeping the ball from hitting the ground.
And I was observing her. Alam mo, kalmado lang. Eyes on the ball. Ganda nung stance niya. Naka-ready yung kamay. I hope I don't bayad. Nigia sets it up. Ibabalik lang yan ni Lilette. Single coverage. Let's see kung mabubuhay pa ang Comelec in set 2. Nope.
Mabaya din, Patido. This is the same set of players that played in set number 2.
Feeling ko dito, gusto na ni Coach Miriam go for the knockout punch.
Pero hindi sumusunod yung hindi nakikisama yung execution.
Wow! Danica delivers again. So, lamang ngayon ang Comelec 2-1.
She remains to be the top scorer.
Chance for Comelec to tie. At yun nga ang ginawa ni Manlapit.
For Comelec, itong si Manlapit, tahitahimik lang. But we have talked about her, no? Pagdating sa kanyang floor defense, sa kanyang passing. Pero this is just really showing us also. Oh, look at that hustle. Almost.
I-upload mo yun eh. Judith. Going cross-court, season opening. So kung sakaling manaig dito ang AFP, sila ang magiging solo number 1. Not unless kaya pang gawa ng paraan dito ng Comelec. Gendrauli na set up ng maayos.
Conti Ports
Oo.
na mas gamay na gamay, masanay na sanay. But more than playing and enjoying the game, meron ka pang charity. So, isang ka pa, di ba? It's such a win-win.
Di ba, meron nga tayong win in sports, win for charity. And, ganda ng serve din kanina ni May. But Danica refuses to fold. Laban pa rin si Gendrauli. Bibigat at bibigat yung balikat mo eh.
Oh, like, the pressure will really be there, no? Lalo na kung parang no matter how hard you try, like, you know, in what we've just seen there, yung talagang nahihirapan lang talaga kayong basahin. Like, somebody was there and Rowley tried to pick it up. Pero
The defense, an opportunity to be ready. Net defense again. Now it's match point here para sa AFP. Battle of the net. And that will be it. 25-18.